I'm sorry, Facebook as well. So let me invite him on. Right? Who wants to live the good credit and cash for life? So I'm gonna bring him. This is one of my first live um, testimonials for someone credit. Hello, 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 Miss Hudson. Want to get this credit and cash flow in the positive. All right, stick with it. Hello, Miss Warner. So I'm gonna invite Josh in on Facebook. Cut this down. See can we get him in on our Facebook? Josh, where are you? Can you hear me? Josh gave me 19 days. Let me cut my volume up. 19 days to he had 19 days to get into his apartment, right? Where his current lease was up. And he got his results in today. So I just want you all to hear it live. To put the share broadcast Joshua to put to have a testimonial out there to help you understand these results are real. Good morning, Miss Wilson on Facebook. Good morning, good morning. Thanks for tuning in, Mr. Davidson. Need help getting his score back up if it has dropped. So let me see if Josh is coming in. Now, I advise someone today as well. Oh my God. I can't think of. I know my Jewelers Club, and a lot of people want to know where do you start if you have a credit score in the 400 or 500s. What do I suggest to build it, right? I suggest first my Jewelers Club. Now, I see a lot of people on YouTube and Facebook, and everybody have a difference of opinion about my Jewelers Club. They're saying that the good morning, good afternoon. I'm sorry, I'm so used to doing morning videos on Facebook. They give a difference of opinion about my Jewelers Club and saying that the quality of the jewelry is not good. Or okay, Josh, let me try to bring Josh on. And things of that nature. But you're doing this for a strategy, right? You don't want a new watch or Cubans. You're not, that's not what you're doing this for. You're getting a $5,000 credit limit. $5,000. And why that's so important? Because when you go to try to get approved for other credit limits, they look at your higher credit limit, right? And then, Josh, I'm gonna bring you in. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Oh,
you.
great, because sometimes Kevin and I are echoing. So I'm on YouTube live at the same time. Let me let YouTube see you. And I was telling people, a lot of people that want to build their credit, even after they get some negative things removed. So I'm advising them of a credit line that they can add to them.
Mm-hmm.
MyJewelersClub.com
Mm-hmm.
is not I'm not seeing myself. It's not seeing us live. Okay, I see it now. So I'm gonna cut this down because I know it's gonna echo. But YouTube, this is Josh. So I'm showing you. But I
Yeah.
tell people it's a $5,000 credit limit, and it reports to all three bureaus. So a lot of people in the low 400, low 600s. I recommend
Mm-hmm.
not about the jewelry, right? It's not about the quality of the jewelry. Some people say it's 𝒞𝓄𝓏. Look, this is a strategy to build your credit score. And so
Right.
once you get that credit limit, you can now apply for, let's say, a Discover Reward cards for college students, because we know college students either have one or two things going on. They have either low credit or no credit.
Or
So
no
if you're
credit.
trying to build, I then recommend that you, after you get that Jewelers Club and it's reporting to all three bureaus, that's important because you want to raise all three scores. Now you apply for those student reward cards for colleges and get you some unsecured credit line added to your account from the major credit cards. So, Josh, come on in. I love your voice. You know it. You know it all the time that you
Hey, how you doing?
radio voice. So it's communications voice. So
Yeah, yeah. How you doing tonight?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I tell people you really test me to see what really queen of credit. My little box
Yeah,
club. And because okay, Josh, I'm gonna let you talk right now.
but I mean, but you came through though. You came through in a major way. In a major way, y'all. Let me tell you. So, all right. So here's my little testimonial. All right. So I hit Latanya up one day. It was random. Random. Wasn't even planning on working on credit. Okay. But I had a situation where I needed to get some things off of my credit score to, to move around or whatever. So, like I say, I hit Latanya up and I was like, hey, I need to do something about my credit. And so she sent me an email. I created a little profile. It was real easy, just, basic demographic information. Um, then, she checked out what was on my credit. She gave me a quote. She was like, well, this can come off. This is wrong. We need to dispute this. I'm like, oh yeah, all of that need to come off. Yeah, all of that. And so she sent me a quote. I was like, yeah, I can pay this now. And we got started. And that was that. It was like, how long did it take? Like 2 weeks. And I had a hard deadline. I was like, I need this done in like 16 days.
Yeah, and I was like, Josh, I know I'm the queen of credit, but my God, you pushing me.
Hey, I put you to the test and you passed. And you
I
passed. That's really what's important.
I did. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
And like what I mean, what without getting too much into your personal credit profile, you mind telling people exactly what that you got removed or what is removed at this
Oh, yeah. I don't mind at
point?
all.
Okay.
I don't mind at all. I had some collection accounts on my report. One was from an old apartment complex that I broke the lease on. Um, I think I had some wrong information as far as addresses and spouses and things of that nature. So all of that got removed. So like I said, yeah. So the addresses, spouses, old employers, the collection accounts that I had,
Mm-hmm.
all of that got removed in a matter of 16 days. It was amazing.
Yeah, 16 days. Okay, I'm trying to hold on. I don't know what's going on. Some people on YouTube say they can't hear you. Um, so I mean I have the volume up as loud as loud as I can. Make sure nothing is on mute or anything. Um, and then I'm gonna give. But one thing I would like to say about Josh and this entire process, right? Um, he followed every step, right? He followed every step. Oh, I'm trying to see what's going on. They can hear me. They can't hear you. Uh, okay, he's not talking. So I'm sorry, YouTube. I'll upload.
YouTube can't hear me.
Yeah, YouTube cannot hear you. They can't hear.
Wow.
They saying they can hear me, but they can't hear you. But I guess they can see you live. So I'll upload. This is Joshua. I'll upload the video, from my Facebook profile. Sorry about that, you.
Yeah.
And might be the connection. Okay, might be the connection. And
Might
so,
be the connection.
one thing I would like to say about Josh was Josh followed every directions. I sound far away. Might be an echo in the room, Johnny. I'm not sure. Josh followed all of my. Someone on YouTube said, "Hello, Josh." Put your picture.
Hey, person on YouTube, how
Yeah,
you
hey,
doing?
person on YouTube. It's probably the echo in my room, in my house. I'm assuming, Mr. Winston. But okay, Miss Hudson, I don't know what's going on, so I try to fix that for my next YouTube live. But Josh followed all my instructions. He got his paperwork to me. Yes, it's on Facebook. It's on Facebook. As soon as I had someone, Josh, to pay me $250 like 3 days ago, and I asked
Mm-hmm.
them to do the first step and give me that notarized information that I needed. And they
Yeah.
text me back and said, might not have the time to do all that. And I said, I don't have time to do as
Mm.
my client. And I refunded money. I don't play. Because let me tell you something, my name is on the line. Right.
Right. Right.
My name, my reputation is on the line. And just like I help other people restore and rebuild their credit and their name and their credibility, I have to keep my name and my credibility as well. So if I have a client
You're right.
that has any type of room to say that I didn't deliver for them and 92, who wants to be on our in our video? Who is you, Self? You know,
Oh, you say,
you know,
yeah, I know Yusuf.
you know.
I think I know Yusuf. Yeah.
You want to bring them on? I don't know. Let's see.
You can. You can. I don't care. It's your
Yusuf,
video.
I'm on my live Facebook page. Thank you so much. Let's bring Yusuf. Let's see what Yusuf had to say. He asked.
Do I know Yusuf?
I don't know. He asked to get on. We'll see. I don't think you all still can't hear Josh. Yeah, but Josh got those collections out, those charge offs out. It was less than 2 weeks. Um, but he followed my instructions to the T. He did everything I asked him to do. He got all the information back. We even talked through some things via the phone that he was doing as I was instructing him and getting him to do it. And so you have to act on this. I had a client today want to know how can I boost my credit score after you removed all of these bad items and or derogatory items. And I said, sign up for my jeweler's card. He did it within 5 minutes. And so people that take action fast help
Mm-hmm.
to get those results fast. Help me get
Yeah.
those results fast. And so, Josh, I appreciate you being my first live testimonial on video.
Yeah. No problem. No problem. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you so much. So, anything else you want to say? I don't want to hold you long.
No, 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 man. All I can say is God is good.
Oh, thank you so much. God is good. He is good. And I thank you that He gives me the intellectual ability to help as many people as I can with their credit and their cash flow. So, if you all are tuning in, make sure you hit like and you share this video on YouTube.
Yeah, definitely. Are you going to share this to my page so I can share it?
How can, do I need to do that now? Hold
Yeah, you can.
on. Josh, do I share it to your page or do you?
It might already be on mine actually,
Uh,
since you.
it might be easy for me from my phone. I see share to a group or write post, but share with, see more. Um, well, I think I'm going to be sharing to my friends and not necessarily you. I think you can share it to your page, Josh.
Yeah, that's cool. I'll find it. I'll find it and share it.
Okay, okay. Because I think you could have shared it from my page as we was going on, but that's it. I'm going to answer some questions on YouTube. I don't see any questions on Facebook at this time. But thank you so much, Josh, for being my live testimonial. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
All right, appreciate you.